Bitwala app the pros, the cons. The Bitwala app, now known as Nuri in some regions, blends traditional banking with modern crypto management. But does it really make managing both worlds easier? Let's look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. Bitwala's biggest strength is its integration of crypto and fiat banking. Users get an actual bank account with a German IBAN linked directly to a Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. This means you can send euros, receive payments, and buy or sell crypto all in one app. It's like having a crypto exchange and a bank account rolled into one. Security is another major advantage. Because Bitwala partners with a regulated German bank, users benefit from deposit protection up to €100. Add to that the self-custody wallet system, and you get both regulatory safety and blockchain freedom. Another great feature is automated investing. You can set up recurring Bitcoin buys, making it easy to build your portfolio over time without stress. Now, for the cons. While the app offers excellent hybrid functionality, it's not available globally. Many regions outside Europe can't access its full features due to licensing restrictions. Another downside is limited crypto support. Bitwala mainly focuses on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which might not satisfy users interested in DeFi tokens or NFTs. Lastly, some users have mentioned slow verification times during peak registration periods, though CAT's been improving. In conclusion, the Bitwala app is one of the most innovative bridges between banking and crypto. The surprising truth? It proves that digital assets and traditional finance don't have to compete, they can work together. For users in supported regions, Bitwala offers a smooth, secure, and future-forward way to manage money in both worlds.